Hey guys, welcome back to SLT Learning, and in this today's video we're gonna cover another Selenium questions, and that is related with the very common things that you should know when you are working with Selenium as an automation engineer. And very basic one I would just say, but let me just show you what is the questions. So the question is, what is the difference between driver.close and driver.quit? Okay, this is very simple one, but it's the concept you need to understand it very clearly. Okay, so driver.close, what the driver.close will do. So if you remember, right, when we talk about the window handlers, right, we use driver.close. Why? Because at that time we need to only close the current browser. Okay, we need to close the one browser which is currently in focus. So if you want to close the windows or browser or tab which is currently in focus, what you can use? Driver.close. Okay, and when you're working with multiple windows or tab, you want to close just one, okay, not all of them, right? So and you want to keep the browser session running, then you can use driver.close. And what is the syntax? It's very simple, driver.close, and this will close only one window or current focused tab, and the WebDriver session will remain active to perform other actions. Okay, this is driver.close. Now what is driver.quit? So quit means close all the browser, all the tab, whatever that WebDriver has opened, and end the WebDriver session completely. Okay, so it will destroy everything completely if you use driver.quit, but driver.close will close the current browser and keep the WebDriver session open for you to perform other actions. Okay, and what is the syntax? Driver.get and then driver.quit, close all the browser window. Okay, now let's understand the little bit difference of these two command. Okay, so they are both the browser bed command. So close, so it will close the current window, it will close all the tab and or all the windows. WebDriver session remain active in this case, but end completely. Use with multiple window, yes. To close one specific window you can use with multiple window, yes. To end all the session you can use for multiple window. Memory resource release, over here it's partially released, but over here it's full release. Okay, because it's gonna close all the session, so to release the memory, but over here still our WebDriver session is open, so it will be remain in the memory. Okay, so if they will ask you this question, guys, answer like this way, that give you the 10 out of 10 on this question. And this is very basic, might be at facial level they're gonna ask you, but sometimes they want to see if you know in detail as experience level, they're gonna ask you this question. Okay, so prepare your interview like that way. So thank you for watching this video.